Hey everybody, today we are going to be making some super cute little jar earrings. So I'm just going to start off by pouring these clearish light blue seed beads into the jar. But at some point I realized there were too many beads in there, so I had to take some out because the cork just didn't fit in there very well. So I poured some beads back in there, but then of course there was like hardly any beads in there, so I just kept going back and forth until I was like, hey, that's a good amount of beads, and I liked it. I will be like super gluing, like E6000 gluing the little corks into the jars at some point. Yes, and then I spilt the beads all over the place. But then I got that all done and I put the corks on both of them. And then I'm just gonna screw the little eye pins in there. Let's do that on the pink one as well. For whatever reason, I seem to kind of struggle with this one a little more. Like I had it too like far screwed in there, but then not enough, and I just kind of went back and forth until I decided that it looked nice, I guess. So now we have our jars done. Let's put some jump rings on them. We have to open up the jump rings, put the jars on there. Oops, didn't open that jump ring enough. So now we're gonna put that jar on there and then put the earring hook on there and close that up. I didn't have anything like specifically in mind as to what like the pink and the blue in the jars is supposed to represent. So if you guys have any ideas of like what you would consider to be in there, you know, like if you were to make these earrings, what would you call them, you know? Like that one kind of looks like water. The pink, I'm not really sure what that would be, but just let me know in the comments down below what you guys would consider those earrings to be, like what they look like they're filled with. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.